Hi everyone, I'm Blair, and I want to start off by asking everyone a question. Who would prefer to drink bottled water or tap water? So if you prefer to drink bottled water, raise your hand. For those of you that raised your hand, could you give me some reasons on why you prefer bottled water? Andrew?
Because it's good.
It's good?
Mm-hmm.
Why is it good?
Because you buy it from the store.
Okay. Kim?
I know tap water, I just always think like gross, like there's gross things in it.
Gross, like bacteria?
Yeah, bacteria.
Okay.
It just seems cleaner, like
Seems
filtered rainwater.
Anything else?
Better for you?
Better for you? Okay. The first misconception about bottled water is that it's healthy for you. It's better than tap water. That is exactly what these bottled water companies want you to believe. They want to paint this picture that bottled water is fresh and they put mountains on the bottle and it's from the springs and there's no bacteria in it. They also advertise, active people that if you drink bottled water, it's for people that are healthy and you'll be healthier if you drink bottled water. However, that's not true. Tap water can be just as healthy for you, and it has been actually proven that there are less bacteria in tap water. Now, more than half of Americans have fell for this trick, but I am not one of them. I have not bought bottled water in a little over a year now. This was not bottled water. This was vitamin water. But bottled water is regulated by the Food and Drug Administration, and tap water is regulated by the Environmental Protection Agency. So what that means is the FDA does not have to put labels on bottled water saying that it's been tested or that it's been approved for not having bacteria in it. This is because bottled water doesn't, 70% of bottled water doesn't go through like states. So let's say Michigan produces bottled water, it's not going to be sold in Indiana. 70% of it is going to be sold in Michigan. That's why the regulations on it are so low. As far as tap water goes, the EPA, the Environmental Protection Agency, they're required for testing and to make sure that they're giving evidence and complying to these regulations. They make sure that there's not lead in the water and other bacteria. A lot of people also say that bottled water tastes better. Now there have been numerous studies or testing on people where they give samples to all individuals and they'll take a little sample of each one and they'll say what one is better. There was a study in California that was 382 people. 42% of those people preferred the taste of tap water. 56% liked the bottled water, and 2% couldn't even tell the difference. So my question is, why would you buy a more expensive bottled water that tastes the same and is actually, most of the bottled water is tap water, so why would you pay more? So I want to give you a little example on why you're not really getting the water that you're paying for its value. So let me go ahead. Let's say you go to a machine, Pepsi's Aquafina or Coke's Denazzi waters. Let's say you have A and B. You get these two bottled waters out of the machine. You are paying 5 cents per ounce. These are 20-ounce bottles. For a gallon of water, tap water, how much do you think you're paying?
0.
Penny?
Less than 1 cent. Those figures are a little iffy for me. I would rather be paying less than 1 cent for a gallon instead of 5 cents for a 20-ounce bottle. These bottles are not recycled. 80% of bottled water that's purchased is just tossed in the trash. So that also creates waste. Another great example of why you shouldn't be purchasing this bottled water. It produces 1.5 million tons of plastic per year in waste. 47 million gallons of oil is also used to produce these bottles. So that's waste in itself and burning fuel that we could use for other things. So today, I'm going to give you a few alternatives rather than buying this bottled water. There are stainless steel, and you can carry these containers or put water in, take it wherever you go. There's also filters, Brita filters, put the tap water in, that filters out water. But if I haven't convinced you today, and you are going to go straight and buy bottled water after I give my presentation, at least recycle them, please.